Good morning to everyone. Today I am going to explain how to solve problems on Cauchy's integral theorem, Cauchy's integral formula, generalized Cauchy's integral formula. So, question: evaluate integration over C e power 3z by z square dz over mod z equal to 1. This is our given contour. This is the integration what we want to find out. So observe, the given integral can be written as integration over C e power 3z by z minus 0 whole square. Z square is nothing but z minus 0 whole square dz is of the form integration over C f of z by z minus a whole square dz. So f of z value is e power 3z, a value is 0. Here we have 2. 2 can be written as 1 plus 1. So n equal to 1. This is our Cauchy's integral formula. A equal to 0 lies inside the circle mod z equal to 1. A equal to 0 means this point only. We can easily say that this point lies inside the circle mod z equal to 1. So this already I explained. So observe, n equal to 1, 2 pi I by 1 factorial f dash of a. So we have f of z as e power 3z, f dash of z is e power 3z into 3z differentiation is 3. So find out f dash of 0. Why 0 means here we need f dash of a. A value is 0. So f dash of 0 is 3 into e power 0. So 3 into 1 is 3. Substitute here, then simplify. The answer is 6 pi I. So next question: evaluate integration over C z square plus z plus 1 by z minus 2 whole cubed dz over the contour mod z equal to 3. So here we have 3. That means 3 can be written as 2 plus 1. So n is 2. So we need f double dash of a. This is our f of z. A is 2. Here center is origin, radius is 3 units. So a equal to 2 means this point lies inside the given contour or given circle. So we can easily use Cauchy's integral formula. This is our Cauchy's integral formula. I already told we need f double dash of a. For that we find out f double dash of z. After that here a is 2. That's why after that we find out f double dash of 2. This is our f of z, z square plus z plus 1. F dash of z is differentiation of this, that is 2z plus 1. F double dash of z means differentiation of this, that is 2. Here f double dash of z is 2 means f double dash of 2 also 2 only, because here no z terms. That's why f double dash of 2 is 2, f double dash of 3 also 2, f double dash of 4 also 2 only. But here we need only f double dash of 2. So a equal to 2, n equal to 2. So then this formula becomes like this. 2 factorial is 2, f double dash of 2 is 2, 2 to get cancelled. Then we have 2 pi I. Next question: integration over C e power 2z by z plus 1 whole square into z minus 2 dz. So here also you can observe the contour is mod z equal to 3. Here also we are using partial fractions. To apply Cauchy's integral formula we need only first degree polynomial. That's why we are going to splitting the denominator like this. Okay, we don't want power of z and also product also. So a by z plus 1 plus b by z plus 1 whole square plus c by z plus 2. Take LCM, then we are going to get this numerator. Cancel the denominators, then the result is this equation after cancellation of denominator. Now we want to find out a, b, c values. First of all, I am taking z plus 1 equal to 0. That means z equal to minus 1. Substitute here. Then we are going to get b equal to minus 1 by 3. Next, z minus 2 equal to 0. Then z is 2. Substitute here. Then we are going to get c value as 1 by 9. Now we want to find out a value. For this, I am going to comparing the coefficients of z square on both sides. Here the coefficient of z square is a plus c. Here we don't have coefficient of z square. That's why we are writing 0. So a equal to minus c, but we know c value, that is 1 by 9. That's why a equal to minus 1 by 9. Now I know a, b, c values. Substitute and write down separate integration for each term. Then we are going to get this step. Here we are going to multiplying e power z. So here also, here also, here also we are going to get e power 2z. So now we are going to using Cauchy's integral formula for each integration separately. Here a equal to minus 1. Here a equal to minus 1. Here a equal to 2. Now we want to check this a equal to minus and a equal to 2 lies inside the circle mod z equal to 3 or not. So mod z equal to 3 means center is origin, radius is 3 units. Minus 1 means minus 1 comma 0. So that then this point. A equal to 2 means 2 comma 0. This point. Observe this point and this point lies inside the circle only. So we can use Cauchy's integral formula. This is our Cauchy's integral formula. So this then by substituting n equal to 0, we have here n is 0, here also n 0. Then this Cauchy's integral formula becomes like this. Okay. So f of z is e power 2z. F dash of z equal to 2 into e power 2z. F dash of minus 1 for middle integral, we need this one. So f dash of minus 1 is 2 into e power minus 2 equal to 2 by e power 2. So we are using this formula for first one and last one. This one for middle integral. So find out integration e power 2z by z plus 1 dz. First integral this one. So a is minus 1. That's why f of minus 1. F of minus 1 we know, that is e power minus 2 only. E power minus 2 is nothing but 1 by e square. So this is the answer for first integration. This is answer for second integration. Here we have n is 1, that means 2 pi I by 1 factorial f dash of minus 1. We already have f dash of minus 1 value. Substitute, simplify. 2 2s are 4 only. So this is the value of third integral. Here a is 2, f of 2 we need. F of z is e power 2z. Then f of 2 is e power 2 into 2. That means e power 4. Now we have all three values. Substitute and take common terms, simplify. Then this is the final answer. Next question. Evaluate integration over c dz by z square plus 4 whole square, where c is to z minus I, modulus of z minus I equal to 2. This is our contour. Z plus 2i, that is z minus of minus 2i. Here imaginary part is minus 2, real part is 0. Z minus 2i implies a equal to 2i. So P2 is real part is 0, imaginary part is 2. So P1 point means 0 comma minus 2, that is this one. This point lies outside the circle. P2 equal to 0 comma 2, that is this point. This point lies inside the circle. So P2 lies inside, P1 lies outside. Okay. Here they mention distance wise. They are finding AP1 distance, that is 3. 3 is greater than 2. Here 2 means radius. Whenever distance is greater than radius, then that point lies outside. Here distance is 1. 1 is less than 2. That's why P2 lies inside C. Otherwise you can see by diagram itself, P1 point lies outside, P2 point lies inside. Okay. So we are keeping the point which lies inside in denominator, that is Z minus 2i, because 2i goes to this side as minus 2i. We are keeping Z minus 2i in the denominator itself. The point P1 is 0 comma minus 2. That is, we are shifted to numerator. So observe here, 1 by z square plus 4 whole square. After writing as factors, then we are going to get this term. Again I am writing whole square for these two. Okay. If you want, you can write this one, otherwise you can skip this one. Now I am lifting this z plus 2i whole square to numerator. Y means the point P1 lies outside the circle C. The point which lies outside, we are lifting that to numerator. The point which lies inside C, we are keeping in denominator only. Okay. So which is equal to f of z by z minus 2i whole square. So this is our f of z. So f of z is 1 by z plus 2i whole square. A is 2i. Okay. Find out f dash of z. Y means here we have square. 2 can be written as n plus 1. So n is 1. That means f dash of z we need. From this f dash of z, we can find out f dash of 2i. Okay. So f dash of z means, use the formula 1 by x power n, that is minus n by x power n plus 1. Here 2 is there, minus 2 by z plus 2i whole cube. Here we need f dash of 2i value. So substitute z equal to 2i. 2i plus 2i is 4i whole cube. 4 cube is 64. I cube is I cube only. But I cube can be written as I square into I. I square is minus 1. Minus 1 into I is minus I. 2 1s are 2 3s are 2s are. So finally f dash of 2i value is 1 by 32i. Okay. Now we are going to use Cauchy's integral formula. Here n is 1. So 2 pi I by 1 factorial f dash of a. F dash of a is nothing but f dash of 2i. We already know this value. Substitute 1 by 32i. I cancel, 2 by 16. That is pi by 16. So next question. Integration over c sin pi z square plus z minus 1 whole square into z minus 2 dz, where c is the contour, mod z equal to 3. Here a is 1, here a is 2. So first we want to do partial fractions. So this is the partial fractions. By using partial fractions, you can find a as minus 1, b as minus 1, c as 1. Substitute and write down separate integration. And this is the given contour, mod z equal to 3. So this is this one. So observe a equal to 1, a equal to 2 lies inside the circle. A equal to 1 means this point, a equal to 2 means this point. So we can easily use Cauchy's integral formula. Okay, both points are lies inside this contour only, so there is no lifting. So f of z is this numerator. Here we have for this term n is 1, that's why we want to find out f dash of z, that is sin pi z square differentiation is cos pi z square. Again pi is constant, z square differentiation is 2z, cos pi z square differentiation is minus sin pi z square, pi constant, z square differentiation is 2z. Now we need f dash of 1 because for this integration a is 1. So substitute a equal to z equal to 1, we are going to get f dash of 1 as minus 2 pi. Okay. So again for this integration we need f of 1, for this integration we need f of 2. Find out those two also. F of 1 is minus 1, f of 2 is 1. So for first integration the RHS is 2 pi I f of 1. F of 1 value we know, substitute, simplify. For second integration RHS is in this form. We know f dash of 1 also, substitute and simplify. For third integral the RHS is in this form. We have already know f of 2 value 1, substitute and simplify. Now we are going to substitute all values in this to find the final value of integration. So observe, here we have minus sign, that's why minus, this is minus 2 pi I. Again this minus y means, because here we have minus only, minus 4 pi, 4 pi square I. This is the last integration value is 2 pi I. Here I can observe minus into minus is plus. That means 2 pi I plus 2 pi I is 4 pi I. Minus, here you can observe minus into minus is plus. So 4 pi square I. Take common 4 pi I. Write down the remaining terms. So this is the value of given integration.